बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is English language teaching. This is your 4th video and also week number 4. As we have completed our unit number 6 pronoun in our previous video, I have taught you about parts of speech which were noun and pronoun. I am repeating again. Noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of anything, person, place or animal. नाउन किसी भी शख्स, चीज़, जगह, जानवर के नाम को कहते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज प्रोनाउन? प्रोनाउन इज अ वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन. प्रोनाउन वो वर्ड होते हैं जो नाउन की जगह इस्तेमाल होते हैं. टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच, एडजेक्टिव. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स अ बोर्ड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल प्रोनाउंस इट. How will you pronounce it? How do you pronounce it? Like what is adjective? No, this is not an adjective. Come towards our board. We pronounce its adjective. Why we pronounce it? Because D is silent word. D is a silent in the word of adjective. We pronounce it adjective. What? Adjective. But we will write adjective, but we pronounce adjective. ADGECTIVE, adjective. Now I have told you about the pronunciation of adjective. Now come towards of definition of adjective. ओके. एंड एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड. एडजेक्टिव जो है वो एक वर्ड है दैट डिस्क्राइब द पर्सन, जो पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग को डिस्क्राइब करता है. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नाउन. व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नाउन? आई विल टेल यू लेटर. नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग और एनिमल. नाउन किसी भी शख्स, चीज, जगह के, जानवर के नाम को कहते हैं. आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर नाउन किसी भी शख्स की जगह के जानवर को कहते हैं, और वो वर्ड जो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है, देयर इज अ जस्ट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट अ वर्ड विच इज डिस्क्राइब द नाउन, इट्स कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. आई होप यू गॉट दैट वो वर्ड जो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है वो एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है. Yes. This is a horror movie. ये एक horror movie है. What is the adjective in this sentence? Horror is a adjective. Horror is a adjective in this sentence. Movie is a noun in this sentence. Okay. Horror is describing noun. Horror is describing movie. किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? हॉरर मूवी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड वन एग्जांपल. अली इज अ काइंड. अली इज अ काइंड. व्हाट इज द एडजेक्टिव इन दिस सेंटेंस? काइंड इज अ एडजेक्टिव इन दिस सेंटेंस. एंड अली इज अ नाउन इन दिस सेंटेंस. काइंड. काइंड इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अली. काइंड किसे डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? काइंड इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अली. सो वी कैन से दैट एडजेक्टिव इज अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. नाउ कम टू वर्ड्स ऑफ, आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड मोर. आई हैव वन एग्जाम्पल फॉर यू. बाबू. Babu is a boy. This is a complete sentence. This is a complete sentence. Now come towards of example number 2. If I add here one describing word, if I add here one describing word like Babu is clever boy. Babu is a boy. This is a complete word, but when I add one describing word like Babu is clever boy. Babu जो है वो clever boy है. So clever tells that what kind of person is Babu. What kind of person is Babu. बाबू किस किस्म का शख्स है. So we can say that adjective is a word which qualifies a noun and pronoun. Adjective एक word है जो noun को और pronoun को qualify करता है. Okay. Now come towards of exercise. Take out page number 18 in your content. Yes. Page number 18 in your content and page number 46 in your book. I am reading the question. Exercise 1. Pick out the adjectives in the following sentences. You have to pick out the adjective in this following sentences. Okay. Number 1. I am reading. Number 1. Saurabh is a brave boy. You have to find the adjective. What is the adjective in this sentence? Brave. Brave is a adjective in this sentence. Saurabh is a brave boy. What is adjective in this sentence? Brave is a adjective in this sentence and Saurabh is a noun in this sentence. The word brave tells that which kind of The word brave tells वर्ड जो है ब्रेव वो बताता है दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ऑफ सौरभ, किस किस्म का शख्स है सौरभ. ओके, नाउ कम टू वर्ड्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 because exercise number 2 is not included in your solutions content, so we will solve the exercise number 3. What are they saying? With the help of the help box. Help box से fill in the blanks with correct adjective. You have to fill the blanks with correct adjective. First of all, there are a lot of pictures they have given to you. You are first, you have to identify the pictures, then you will write the adjective by giving box. With the help of box you will fill the blanks. Number 1, exercise number 3. The paper is, you can see the paper. How is it look like? कैसा दिखता है ये? The paper is thin. Thin is an adjective and thin describe the paper. किसको describe कर रही है? पेपर को describe क्या है कि how is the paper? पेपर कैसा है? Paper is thin. पेपर पतला है. Now I have done one for you. You will do your exercise yourself by your giving content number 1 and 3. Now come towards of exercise number 4. What are they saying in this exercise? Solve the riddles. Here is a riddle for you. Fill in the first blank with the noun. As I have taught you about the noun again in the beginning, with a noun, and the second blank with the adjective. You have to, there are also pictures. You have to find identify the pictures, then you have to use noun and adjective. What is the picture of is this? What is the picture of is this? Now come towards a board. I am a what is it? It is a tortoise. It is a picture of tortoise. And what is saying? I am slow. You know very well that tortoise is slow, so you will write here slow. Tortoise is a noun and slow is a adjective. Slow describe the tortoise. Slow क्या कर रहा है? Tortoise को describe कर रहा है. That what kind of animal is this? किस किस्म का animal है ये? Okay, I have done one for you. You will do your exercise yourself. Now come towards our second topic, adjective of number. Adjective of number or numeral adjective, both are same. You can say adjective of number or numeral adjective. Now come towards of definition of number of adjective. An adjective expresses the number of a person, thing, animal or place is called adjective of number or numeral adjective. We can also write here an adjective expresses the noun or pronoun is called numeral adjective because place, animal, thing or person is a noun or a noun. Okay. Now come towards of types. There are two types of numeral adjective. Definite number, numeral adjective, this shows definite number. ये डेफिनेट नंबर शो करते हैं. लाइक आई हैव 5 फिंगर्स, आई हैव 5 फिंगर्स, यू कैन काउंट इट. व्हाई आई राइट हियर हाउ मेनी? हाउ मेनी, वी यूज हाउ मेनी व्हेन वी काउंट समथिंग. लाइक 1 2 3 etc. वी कैन काउंट देम. हम इन्हें, जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, दोज थिंग विच वी कैन काउंट, वी यूज हाउ मेनी. दैट्स व्हाई आई राउट हियर हाउ मेनी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट इंडेफिनिट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव? दे नेवर शोज डेफिनेट नंबर. वो कभी भी डेफिनेट नंबर शो नहीं करते. हाउ? देयर इज सम वाटर द जग, इन द जग. देयर इज सम वाटर इन द जग. कैन यू काउंट द वाटर? क्या आप वाटर को काउंट कर सकते हैं? नो. So we will use here how much, means we use how much for the uncountable things. We use, I am repeating again, we use how many for countable things which we can count, and we use how much for uncountable things which we cannot count. I hope you got. There are two types of numeral adjective, cardinals and ordinals. Yes. In the cardinals we use 1 2 3 etc. And in the ordinals we use first, second, third etc. We use cardinals for the वी यूज कार्डिनल्स फॉर एज एंड चेक्स. एज एंड चेक्स के लिए वी यूज करते हैं कार्डिनल्स. एंड व्हाट अबाउट ऑर्डिनल्स? वी यूज ऑर्डिनल्स फॉर डेटा. Yes, we use ordinals for date and designation. Coordinals को लिए, coordinals किसके लिए यूज किए जाते हैं? एज के लिए एंड चेक्स के लिए. एंड वी यूज ordinals for date and designation. Now come towards indefinite numeral. Indefinite numeral adjective. Example are like all, no, many. There are a lot of example of indefinite numeral adjective. All, no, many, few, some. Now come towards of our exercises. Take out exercise number 1, page 50. Pick out what are they saying in this exercise. Pick out the words which tell how many people, animal or thing are spoken about. कितने लोगों के बारे में, एनिमल्स के बारे में और थिंग्स के बारे में they are spoken about. So you have to pick out the number of adjective. Exercise 1. I saw several sheep in the valley. I saw several sheep in the valley. What is number of adjective in this sentence? Several is the number of adjective in this sentence. I saw several sheep in the valley. कई sheep, several means कई, मैंने valley में कई sheep देखे. I have done one for you. You will do your exercise yourself. We will start from the exercise number 2, inshallah, our next video, from the next video. Now come towards our second part, presentation or conversation. First we have a topic, what time is it? What time is it? You are used to ask the time in Urdu. आप आदि हैं उर्दू में टाइम पूछने के. I will tell you today about how to ask the time in English. इंग्लिश में किस तरह टाइम पूछा जाता है. First of all, I will tell you about the types of your clock. There are two types of clock, analog and digital. Which one is the analog? This is analog. And what about digital? This is digital. It is easy to tell the time in digital, but it is difficult to tell the time in analog. Because before tell the time, you should know about the needles. I will tell you about the needles. I will make you understand by the analog, that how to ask the time by the analog. Yes, there are, come towards of a sheet, there are 12 hours in the sheet, in the clock. There are 12 hours in the clock. And also there are 3 needles in the clock. Yes, there are 3 needles in the clock. Shortest shows hour. Shortest जो होती है वो शो करती है hour को. Okay. Longer shows minutes. Longer जो है वो minutes को शो करती है and longest shows second. और जो longest होती है longer, and there is a difference longer and longest. Longer shows minutes. Longer जो है वो minutes shows करती है and longest shows second. और longest जो है वो second शो करती है. I'm writing about longest, 60 second. Yes. Longest shows when it round one time, okay, is equals to 1 minute. When it rounds one time, it is equal to 1 minute. I am talking about longest one. And what about longer one? When it rounds one time, it is equal to 1 hour. जब ये सेकेंड वन वाली जब एक बार टर्न करती है, राउंड करती है, तो वो 1 मिनट होता है, इज इक्वल टू 1 मिनट. एंड लॉन्गर वन इज व्हेन इट राउंड, जब वो लॉन्गर वन राउंड करती है तो इज इक्वल टू 1 आवर. 60 मिनट, यू कैन से 60 मिनट एंड 1 आवर आर द सेम. नाउ I made 2 parts on the board. Yes, I showed here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I showed here 7 8 6 7 8 9 11, 12. When we talk about right side, like when we talk about right side, we will use past here. Okay. 12 to till 6. And when you will tell the time after the 6, you will use here 2. How? I will make you understand. When your needle, both needle is on the 12, longer one and shortest one and longer one. We are not talking about longest one. We are just watch the both needles, longer one and shortest. When both needles are on the 12, you will say it's 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Okay? What would you say? It's 12 o'clock. When you needle shortest one on the 1 and second one is on the 12, it says that it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Like this, if your needle is on the 2, you will say it's 2 o'clock. Like it's your needle is shortest needle on the 3, you will say it's 3 o'clock. Like 4, 5, you will, or longer one is on the 12. Longer one is should the 12 and shortest one is if it's 1, if it's on the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will say it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. But condition is longer one it should be on the 12. लॉन्गर वन जो है वो 12 पे होनी चाहिए और शॉर्टेज वन एग्जैक्ट आपके किस पर होनी चाहिए? डिजिट पे होनी चाहिए. ओके. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स ऑफ फर्स्ट. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स ऑफ हियर. योर लॉन्गर वन इज ऑन द 3 and shortest one is on the 7. What will you say here? You will use quarter here. You will use quarter in the position of 3 and on the position of 9. Both sides you will use quarter. What will you use? Quarter. Like here, the longer one is on the 3 and shortest one is on the 7. You will say here that it's quarter past. It's quarter past 7. What time is it? It's quarter past 7. You can see here longer one is on the 3 and shortest one is on the 7. Now come towards our second. If your needle is shortest one, longer one on the 12 and if your needle shorter one is on the 6 and longer one is on the 12. Sorry. Shortest is on the 12 and longer one is on the 6. So what will you say that time? You will say, what time is it? It's 12:30. You will use here past in this situation. In this position you will use past. It's 12:30. कितने बज रहे हैं? What time is it? It's 12:30 means 12:30 बज रहे हैं. ठीक है. Now come towards of this one. Come towards of here. Yes, shortest one is on the 12 and longer one is on the 9. What will you say here? What time is it? It's quarter to 12. I have told you before, in this position we will call here quarter. It's quarter to 12, and in this position we will use past, I have told you, and in this position we will use to. So what time is it? It's quarter to 12. Means क्या टाइम हो रहा है? 11:15 हो रहे हैं. Now I have told you this position, and in this position I have told you the time in this position, in this position, in this position. When you are needle on the 2 or 4, so what that time what will you say? I am telling you one big thing. Then when you how do you identify the time? You will read the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 20. Like for example, your needle is longer one is on the 4, and like here your shortest needle is on the 2 and longer one is on the 4. So you will read the table from 1. You will read the table from 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So what will you say here? What will you say here? It's 20 past 2. It's 20 past 2. One thing you have to remember, आपको एक चीज याद रखनी है. When we tell the time in Urdu, जब हम उर्दू में टाइम बताते हैं, what will you say? What do you say? First we tell about hour, then we will tell about minute. But in the English, first you will tell about the minute, then you will tell about the hour. Like हम उर्दू में बोलेंगे 2:20 हो रहे हैं. क्या हो रहा है? 2:20 हो रहे हैं. पहले मैं किसको कॉल करूँ? 2 को, and then 4 को. ओके, 2 and 4 को पहले आर को मेंशन कर रही हूँ, देन मैं मिनट को शो कर रही हूँ. ओके, एंड इन इंग्लिश वी विल फर्स्ट टेल द मिनट. इट्स 20 to 2, 20 past 2. 2:20 हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, उर्दू में 2:20 हो रहे हैं और इंग्लिश में इट्स 20 past 2. It's 20 past 2. Now come towards of in this position. Your shortest needle is on the 12 and longer one is on the 8. Now what time is it? क्या टाइम हो रहा है? I told you that you will count from the here. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Just जब आप यहाँ पे टाइम बताने होंगे, when you जब आप यहाँ पे टाइम बताओगे, you will count from here. 5 1s are 5. You won't count like rounding. इस तरह नहीं काउंट करना है आपने. आप then you will count from here, from the 11. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20. So what time is it? It's 1:45, and I have told you before that you will use 2. You will in the right side you will use past, and in the left side you will use 2. It's 11:45. हम उर्दू में भी इधर डिफरेंट है ना, बताना किस तरह. हाउ विल यू टेल? 12 बजने में 20 मिनट्स हैं. व्हाट आर वी सेइंग? 20 मिनट्स आर लेफ्ट फॉर द 12 o'clock. ओके, कितने? 12 बजने में 20 मिनट्स हैं. और हम यहाँ का क्या कहेंगे? पहले उर्दू में हम क्या करें? फर्स्ट वी शोज minute, then we will tell about hour. In the English, we tell about the minute. It's 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12. Then first we shows minute, then we will shows hour. It's 20 to 12. I hope you have got this first position. What will you say? It's 12 o'clock. And what will you say this one was in this position? It's quarter past 7. And what about in this one's position? It's quarter to 12. And what about in this position? It's 22 past 2. If your needle is on the 6, what will you say? It's half past 12. Okay. And if your needle is like in the last I taught you, if your needle is greater than is on the 8 and shortest is on the 12. So what will you say here? It's 20 to 12. I hope you have got. Second topic is about my family. This is a presentation topic about my family. Yes. I have told you before that what is necessary in the presentation or conversation. Eye contact and body language and face expression are very important for presentation. Okay. Here is a presentation for you. My name is whatever you have named. My name is Ali. You will tell about your family. First of all, you will introduce yourself. Then you will tell about your family members like sister, brother, and your father and mother. And my name is Ali. I have got 5 family members. I have got a sister. She has you have to tell about your sister. She has got blue eyes. She is beautiful. I have got a brother too. He has got dark brown. He is shy. My mother cooks delicious food. She has got long hair. And my father is very hardworking. He has got green eyes and fair hair. And I love my family very much. This is your presentation topic. You will write your own family. Okay, you will write about your own family. Okay, now come towards of diary. Write 5 adjectives in your copy. You have to write 5 adjectives in your copy. And also you have to write 5 examples by using adjective. Okay, it is your diary task. I think it's enough for today. Do your work according to your solution which has given to you. Inshallah we will complete our exercise number 2, number of numeral adjectives, in our next video. Okay, now time is over. If God's willing, we will meet again. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.